Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to see how to draw plane stud, and it will be freehand. Axis is parallel to HP and VP. See this. So we need to draw a plane stud where axis is parallel to HP and VP. So first we will draw a table. Now remember one thing, in this everything will be freehand. So table will be also freehand. So we are taking D. Let's say D they have given is 20. M20. So D is 20. Then we'll see 0.85D. That would be 17. Then 1.5D and 2D plus 6. All these four values we need to find out. So this is 17, 30 and 46. After that we will draw a circle first. See, whenever you are drawing any view, we need to draw a circle first. So front view, side view we need to draw. So we'll start with side view. See, first we will draw a plus and then cross. Now see, we are allowed to use scale for marking. We don't have to use scale for drawing, but for marking we can use. So what I'm doing, on all these lines I'm marking 10 10 on both the sides. So I got all the points. Now for circle we'll draw left half and right half, that way. We won't be going it full. So this way we will draw circle in freehand. Now we need to draw 17.5. So we'll mark distance. Okay, now we'll draw that 3/4 circle like this. So we are done with side view. Now we'll draw front view. So I will extend line, light line. And then we'll draw one vertical line. Now how much is this? 2D plus 6. So I'll mark 46. And this inside line. See, this is at 45 degree. So approximately we can leave slight distance and we can draw it like this. So this nut side is done. Not end side. Now this is runoff angle. This can be 45, 30, 60, whatever you want. Then this is any distance, so that you leave random. Then we have D to 1.5D. So I'm taking 30. 1.5D. This is metal end side. Same method. We'll draw two lines and we'll extend this. Here also runoff angle. D to 1.5D. This is any distance. And this is 2D plus 6. So we are done with this sum where axis is parallel to HP and VP. This is front view and this is side view. Now what if axis is perpendicular to HP? And parallel to VP, where we will have to draw straight. So same thing, front view, side view. Now it will become front view, top view. So here I am doing it in rough, in the sense without dimension. Approximately it will be like this. This is top view and the front view. It's the same method what we followed earlier, same, but only the placing will change. Now it is vertical. See, if you want to mark distance, you can mark distance. So this way we are done with front view, top view when axis is perpendicular to it. Thank you.